What's a trait of a healthy, strong, healthy family?
I think is to be open,
Putting God first.
to accept what you see within everybody in the family and help them.
Have faith. I think faith is and patience.
To guide them in the way you see how you started out. And you bring them together in that line that you knew how you was raised, and
Trust in knowing that you're working towards a common goal.
I would say the ability to pray together and communication. It's
how you characterize a healthy family.
The family has always been the basic social unit of society and communities everywhere. In the family, the lessons of life are passed down from one generation to the next. The physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being of the members of a family depends largely on how healthy or strong the family is. But healthy families don't always produce healthy members. Changes in society can impinge on family traditions, beliefs, and worldview, thereby compelling members to make adjustments, sometimes with sad consequences. For instance, according to the Heritage Foundation, a primary cause of child poverty in America is family breakdown. 4 out of 10 children are born outside of marriage. Children of single-parent families are 7 times more likely to be exposed to poverty than peers in intact families. Marriage remains America's strongest anti-poverty weapon, yet it continues to decline. As husbands disappear from the home, poverty and welfare dependence increase, and children and parents suffer as a result. With changes in society, families have had to make adjustments. People move from place to place in search of work. In the islands, the movement is from back villages to towns, then from towns to cities abroad. The search for a better way of life meant family structures had to undergo some adjustments. Still, the basic unit remains essentially the same. Each family member relying on time-honored traditions, values, beliefs, and practices to adjust. What makes a family strong? What makes it endure in spite of these changes? These are questions we'll look at in this video. Hello, my name is June Poesi, and we'll go over some of the characteristics of a strong family. We'll end by looking at some of these characteristics and see how we can utilize them to strengthen our families and relationships. It is in the family that we first learn to play, to share, to love, and to do whatever we need to help each other in times of crisis. Some families are better equipped to handle crisis than others. They use their strengths to grow and prosper even when times are hard. What makes such families effective? What is it that prevents them from falling apart? Different studies reveal what healthy families have in common. Each person in the family is committed to every other person. Parents look out for their children's well-being and vice versa. They help each other succeed in their goals. In a strong family, the attitude is, we're all in this together. Family members look out for each other's interests in addition to their own, and they make everyone in the family feel that he or she is valued. They also recognize he or she is an important part of the family. Everyone wants to feel appreciated. When family members express appreciation or recognize others' efforts, they feel they matter and their life has meaning or purpose. Strong families look for the good in each other and express gratitude often. They also celebrate and compliment individual family successes. Both the quality and quantity of time are important. It is natural to disagree on certain things. A healthy family would sit down and talk out differences. Before they do, they agree to disagree. The important thing to remember is a strong family stands together and tries to reduce tension. Strong families also do things together. They enjoy each other's company and the time that they have with each other. They make it a point to eat or dine together. They share hobbies and interests and take part in fulfilling family chores. The time that they spend together strengthens bonds and build lifetime memorable experiences. Studies show that families who share meal times and activities have a better opportunity of establishing healthy relationships. Activities promote laughter, a sense of belonging, joy, and a genuine concern for each other. Activities also make people forget their differences. Faith and beliefs are very important in strong families. Outside the families, a faith-based community provides additional support physically, emotionally, and spiritually. A faith-based community offers family members a sense of direction. Parents capitalize on strong moral ethics. These strong morals make family members more responsible for their mistakes and urge them toward a better future. Relationships are strengthened and family members are encouraged to rely on each other for support. Families built on a strong moral foundation also provide strength to their communities and nation. When problems or a crisis arise, strong families attack the problems, not each other. They manage conflict and stress without belittling the perspective of other family members or their solutions. Strong families manage their resources responsibly and always plan ahead to reduce stress. When problems hit, family members come together and help each other to overcome the problems. Strong families have routines, ritual, and traditions that keep them together, giving members direction and structure. Members live by certain principles. Because they do, they show stability. They know what to expect from each other, and they adapt well to changes and the growing needs of the family. Good communication and respect are the glue that holds a strong family together. When communication breaks down, a family runs into all sorts of problems. All families have room for improvement in communication. So, there you have it. Some characteristics of a strong and healthy family. The key to all of them is application. Learning is one thing. Putting the lessons to practice is another. We learn from our parents. We observe them as they do good things. Then we apply them to our lives. Here are some ways to help apply the lessons. Always make time to have fun with your husband or wife. A strong marriage strengthens the family. Set time aside regularly to enjoy your children. Whatever the circumstances, the time set aside to be with your spouse or children builds up the family. Regular family meetings keep everyone abreast of what's happening. Family meetings allow members to share concerns, mend differences, and discuss important issues that affect the family. Plan an activity each week or month. This keeps the level of excitement alive. The idea is to bring all members together and break down whatever barriers exist between them. Before they leave for school or work, bid everyone a good day. Thank them with the little notes taped to your refrigerator and celebrate their achievements and good works. Remember all the things about family members for which you can be grateful. Say encouraging things like, "I love you," "Good job," "I admire you for that," "You mean a lot to me." Affirmation and encouragement are necessary to help members discover who they are and what they do well. Don't wait until tempers flare to act or try to resolve a problem. Share with family members the proper and loving way to deal with anger when it happens. Trace and share your roots and the principles by which your parents and grandparents lived. What did they stand for? Family history is a great opportunity for a family activity. A shared heritage does wonders for everyone. Use memorable incidents from the family's past to educate children and motivate them to do well. Stories of bravery and courage from family history make the younger generation aware of the glorious past. Scrapbooks of significant family events and achievements are wonderful reminders of what a family is all about, helping family members celebrate achievements and yearly events. Celebrate anniversaries and birthdays with family get-togethers or parties. Make time to enjoy the joyful moment of family members' lives. Family is a lifetime commitment. Every family has some good to build on, as well as some things they need to change. Honestly appraise your family. To help you, let me share with you these 15 top traits from the book, Traits of a Healthy Family by family counselor and expert Dolores Curran. The top 15 traits presented at the end of the video are listed in the order of importance as rated by a group. Go through the list in the handout provided by your instructor and see where your family is strong and where it needs improvement. Thank you for joining us.